We finally got Fable 5 back, and there's nobody in the world that can take it away from us at this point because it's not made by an American company. It's made by Sakana Fugu. Now, what the hell is Sakana Fugu? It's a new AI model which beats Fable 5 and Mythos in many of the benchmarks. Now, it's not a model, it's actually a router system, but the models inside it are stronger than Fable. Now, in this video, I'm also going to show you how to get started. It's actually not so difficult. You just go to their website, sakana.ai/Fugu, and then you click on this button here, start using it. Once you click on that, you just have to log in with Google and you can start using it. Once you log in with Google, you're asked a few questions, which of course you're all going to read word for word. I've read and agreed to everything. And they say you have to be 18 years of age and not located in the EEA, the United Kingdom or Switzerland. You have to confirm that you're not located in these areas. And once you confirm them, you click activate my account. And that's it. You're already good to go. Now, if you look at the bottom, right above my head over here, you can see you can get started with a subscription, which basically means you can start using the API with a subscription or credit. And basically, I want to see now some of the pricing information. I'm sure everyone's interested as well. But before I get started, I just want to show you the user interface here. So there's API keys, overview, models, and get started guide. Let's look at the pricing though first. So here we are. You can see the pricing. So here are the model names, Fugu Ultra, and it's the date. So as you can see, the input is $5. And the output is $30. Now, that's not cheap at all. So we're talking here about similar pricing to Claude, Anthropic's type of pricing. But when you think about the quality you get for this, you could use this for the amazing work you want to do. Now, when you look at this, it has a cached input, which actually reduces the price of the input. So if you're having a long conversation, you'll only be paying $5 for the first time the AI gets that specific blob of text, but afterwards it goes down. So check this out. This is something that is given out. These are all the different calls. Here are the different plans they have. They have a $20 a month plan, $100 and $200. It's actually quite funny. They've literally copied Claude's payment model. So you know what to expect over here. And if you look on the right-hand side, it's baseline allowance, 10x standard usage and 30x standard usage. These guys are going for Claude. They are going for Anthropic. They are pissed off that that Fable was taken away from us. All right, let's see if we can actually get started. We can actually talk to Sakana. So it looks like they've only given us API endpoints to use, and then you can create an API key. But the truth is, I actually want to use Fugu. So here they're giving you instructions how to use it in Codex and how to use it in custom workflows. But really, the truth is, I want to just test it out. I want to like a playground to show you it in use, to open up your mind to this actual tool. So I'm going to click on console. All right, since there's no actual way of chatting with this model, I'm actually going to build a quick app using Claude Code to actually chat with this. Can you build me a simple chat app so that I can chat with this model here? It's an LLM. All right, guys, listen, I've decided to build a chat with Fugu app, and also it's an IDE, which means you can actually code with it as well and build things with it. I'm going to be putting it on GitHub as an open source, so you can actually use it yourself, completely free. If you want the link to that, just type link in the description, in the comments. Basically, though, while we're waiting, I want to show you how you can actually get some API calls. So you have to click on subscribe here, even though you're just getting a pay-as-you-go, you just want to test it out. You're not confident enough about it yet. So you need to click pay-as-you-go, add a payment method. If you're confident, you can click on subscribe. Subscribe now and get your next month free. Interesting. But basically, if you do pay as you go, then you can literally start playing with it. All right, the payment method is Stripe. All right, once you have a payment method, you click pay as you go and add credit. Let's see the minimum. The minimum amount is $10. Let's see if I try 5. All right, 5 seems to work. Also, the minimum amount is $1. Fantastic. I'm literally going to do You know what? $5. Let's give them a little bit of support to keep them going, especially since they're coming to save us from the American government who jacked Fable from us. Now my credit balance should be 5. Let's see if it refreshes. It doesn't refresh. Oh, there we go. It did refresh. All right, here we go. My current balance is 5. Let's see if we finished building this. All right, I'm ready to grab my API key. Top left API keys, and then I'm going to create my first one. Very easy. Just click create. You give it a name, my test API key, and its billing mode is pay as you go. Now it's asking me if I want to choose a custom model pool. When I open this up, it's literally giving me GPT, Claude, and Gemini. What the hell is this? Could it be that Fugu is just using these models and it's just a model router? And I just paid $5 for nothing? This is absolutely ridiculous. Either way, I'm going to switch it off and then click create. All right, it gave me an API key. I really hope this is not just a model that uses other models after all that. All right, guys, so when you download the GitHub, it's going to ask you for your API key, and then you can start chatting away. And actually, you can use this as an IDE. I just built one using Claude Code. So let's try it. All right, I pasted my API, save key. All right, no thanks. All right, let's try chatting to it. Hey, what model are you? Let's see if it actually works. Let's see what goes on here. I'm Fugu, an AI agent developed by Sakana. But are you just a model router? Not just a model router. I'm Fugu, an AI agent running with a Fugu orchestration system that can involve orchestrating routing behind the scenes. Not merely, I'm the assistant generating and coordinating the response, not merely passing your prompt to a single backend blindly. Which models do you route to? Guys, we're going to get to the bottom of this. But it says on your site that you route to Gemini, OpenAI, and Claude. Yeah, that may be correct for Fugu system generally. It can route orchestrate across provider models such as Gemini, OpenAI, and Anthropic Claude, depending on the deployment configuration. What I mean is I don't have a reliable live introspection into which specific backend model is being used for this conversation. From your side, the exposed assistant is Fugu. Behind the scenes, Fugu may choose among supported models provided based on quality, speed, availability, cost, or task fit. So what is this? Like using Opus in the end? What is this ridiculousness? What model? Hey, can't you tell me which model this is right now? Is there an actual Fugu model? Like an actual weights by Sakana? Or is this just a router? I'm sorry. I just feel like this is a bit of a joke. Even though it does a very good job routing. I mean, this might be an amazing model, but I just don't know if it's got its own model weight or if it's just using Claude Code in the background. Either way, if you want to start testing this out, just type link and I'll send you the GitHub for this so you can test it out yourself. See you in the next video.